Title: How AI is Replacing Travel Agents. Book tickets in seconds. By intro 00025. Imagine booking your flight, hotel, and entire trip in less than 2 minutes without calling any travel agent. No waiting, no extra fees, no confusion. Welcome to the world of AI-powered ticket booking, where technology is changing how we travel forever. The problem: 025, 055. For years, travel agents helped us plan trip, but let's be honest, they take extra charges, limited options, slow response time, and sometimes outdated deals. In today's fast world, people want instant results. And that's where artificial intelligence AI comes in. What is AI booking? 0, 55, 1, 30. AI booking systems are smart tools that can search thousands of flights in seconds, compare prices automatically, suggest best travel dates, even predict price drops. Popular AI tools and apps can now act as your personal travel assistant. Step-by-step AI booking process, 1 to 30, 310. Step 1. Enter your destination. Simply type where you want to go and your travel dates. Step 2. AI searches. Everything within seconds. AI scans hundreds of airlines and websites. Step 3. Smart suggestions. AI shows you cheapest flights, fastest routes, best time to travel. Step 4. Price prediction. Some AI tools even tell you, wait or book now based on price trends. Step 5. One-click booking. Select your flight, enter details, and book instantly. No middleman, no agent. Just you and AI. Advantages of AI booking: 310, 340. Saves time. Saves money, 24/7. Availability. Personalized recommendations. No human errors, AI doesn't sleep. It works for you anytime. Will travel agents disappear? 340, 355, not completely. Luxury travel, complex trips, and visa guidance still need humans. But for normal bookings, AI is taking over fast. Outro 355, 410. So next time you plan a trip, try using AI and experience the future of travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more smart tech with us.